So how does it work if you want to clean your iPhone's cache and junk files? Let's explain that and let's get started. So the iPhone doesn't have a button for cleaning cache, right? This is part of Android devices, but on iPhones we don't have that. So some temporary cached files usually get cleaned with a simple restart of the iPhone, right? So you can turn it off, wait a bit, and then turn it back on. And the cached files should most definitely get cleaned up in the background. Keep in mind that some specific apps might also have that feature implemented for that app. So for example, you can go to Telegram if you use it, right? It's just an example, of course. And part of the settings of the app, you can find the ability to just clean up the app, right? So you can scroll through and go to the storage section. You should be able to find it right there, data and storage, and then you can just delete the clear entire cache, which may or may not be a lot of storage, but some apps just have that implemented, but only if the developers come up with that. And also some junk files and all of the cached things might be removed when you update your phone to the latest version of operating system. So usually when there is a new version, like if I'm running the iOS 18 and there's already iOS 26, well, in that case, it might be a good idea to update as the software will be installed and the old one with some cached files will be discarded. So it might be a good step to achieve your goal. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.